We're back. Barno, I need some motivational words for the cam.
Keep it easy, get 3 points.
Yeah, fuck. I mean, it's a pre-season, but yeah. Steve-o, what are you telling me?
Yeah.
We're back. Can we do it on a cold, rainy night in Stoneham?
Mate, it's not even a question, is it?
Yeah, it's not even a fucking question. Look at the boys in the yellow jerseys. Yeah, it's a problem. It's a fucking problem. First off, Kingsmen. One man's on the sideline. We're even a guy on the sideline. Oh. That's it. Go on, City. Go on, City. Oh, mate, you've been missing a few games with DC at left back, mate. He's been... Yeah, mate, he's had a few man of the match performances.
He's taken off.
Mate, can you get the body still, mate?
I'm trying, fella.
Nah.
I've got 50 mile an hour gusting.
This is a joke. Bastard cow.
Nah, this is horror.
Oh, even Ad's got the yellow jersey.
Make some yards, Chris, make some yards. Crack, son. It's her! Fucking let her loose, boys!
Fucking hell. Let her loose from there. Not even a clear shot, fella.
Oh, fucking hell.
What game are you watching? I don't know what game
A fucking wet one as well. I'm watching.
Oh.
Take his hand, DC! Yeah. It's not malicious, you know. Like,
He's got no shin pads on. He shouldn't be playing, that fella.
Who?
The guy that he tackled with red boots.
Yeah.
The one that fucking hurt him, mate. Oh fuck, sorry.
The ref watches these videos.
We don't match for a day, innit? Like, we're fucking three of us at the end of the fucking film.
Oh, range strong.
Well done, Chris.
You got... Look at Jaff! Look at Jaff! What a fucking ball.
City's good.
Yeah, try. What a fucking switch. Love that. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Do you know what I like playing with Barnes? Because look, he plays like another CB, which lets the other centre mids push up.
Yeah, Barnes plays deep.
Because if you play with 3 attacking centre mids, they all want to. Whereas Barnes knows this game.
Mate, how's this thing going inside out?
It's our ball.
Hand, shoulder, step up, City.
Oh, I really prefer it. Fucking Gale!
Good job you're not all this, do you know your take off?
Oh mate, the camera's gone all blurry, boys. Hold on.
Give her a clean.
Get in this.
Give her a wax on, wax off. Oh.
Cal's gonna be fuming. Cal's gonna be fuming. I didn't get that block because it's all blurry. Mush, you moved, yeah?
Fella, blame me, the fucking... It's right
Mush, you moved. Yeah, no, you moved with the gale force wind and the fucking... On your back!
Great ball.
What's the position? Wings.
Nah, 3 at the back.
Yeah, standard.
And then 3 in midfield. And then 2 up front. So you've got 2 centre mids, Jaff is the cam, Charlie instead up front. Yeah. Yes, Barnes, use the body!
Where's this wind come from?
That's ball to hand, ref. Ref, that was the wind. That was the wind, ref. He couldn't do nothing about that. Ball's flying off the cap. Oh, mate, it's too cold, mate. Stop making jokes.
Mate, this is ridiculous.
Boys.
This fucking idea was this.
Boys, you're only four.
It was sunny when I asked, you know.
Yeah, that's what I
I'll
mean.
come play.
I was sat in the truck thinking, yeah, can't wait to play a bit of ball tonight, and then fuck me, it started pissing it down.
Yeah, boys, you're only 5 minutes in. We've got another 45 to go. Let's get us into the game first, mate.
Lovely.
Love
it, Chris.
Man on.
Lucky Chad.
On your back, on your back.
Where's City play?
He's a striker, mate, but I think he was covering for Chris. Boys, we're all in each other's laps here. Oh my God, Albano on the corner. She's only got a left. Oh, is it? Oh, what a goal!
Albano in the corner!
Fucking hell!
Fuck off! What a goal, boy!
Oh, what a pinger,
We've got Ibra in the strike. Is that Iniesta? Cruz? Xavi? Who is it? It's Albano! My number 8! Have it! Let's get into the game. Oh, fucking hell, man, the bully!
Oh, he's on his arse!
Ref, that's disgusting! I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna Oi!
Man, why are you zoomed in so fucking close?
Fucking hell, he's trying to look.
Jab had fucking dinner.
Yeah, trying to see.
Oh, I can see what a jab. He had a curry. He had a fucking curry, look at him.
Trying to see fucking. Oh, we are.
Whoa! Yes, AG! Big hats in the. Yeah, look at him!
Can't miss that, man.
Nah, Stevie, if you're having too much fun with this, the more zoomed in it is, the better the quality. If I zoom out, it goes all weird because of the weather.
Fucking hell, fella! Fucking hell!
Listen, we didn't have this umbrella, this footage would be fucked.
Well done, Cal.
Time, man, coming out. Do him then. Oh, what was that?
Tell my Nigeria I had no problem.
Yeah, he's back in his managerial.
Hey, Mush, I was
Oh, referee, we had that!
I was in the hotel on the weekend, fella.
Like a weird little fucking shit.
Just some
Go.
Plymouth.
Nah. Right, that's the one. Nah, I'm not seeing the what. Well, let's enough of that on the cam, you know what I mean?
How much is charger?
Yeah, this one was free, mate.
Did she give us brolly?
Oh,
He's gone for it. Unlucky Barno.
it's that Frank Lampard himself. No, not yet, bro. Stay on.
Stay on, man.
Bro, stay on. Bro, we can't make a sub yet. Stay on. Bro, we can't. Look, no one's ready.
Just you're not ready yet.
Barnes, just give me 2, man.
We need to sort out where we're going.
Fuck me, none of you are ready.
Why don't know who's coming up? He just come over
Yeah,
it.
you go centre mid.
You go centre mid.
Where you go?
We're not
Right,
on yet.
right. Oh, no, yet. Fucking hell, fella. Chill out.
Same with me, fella, the umbrella.
He's puffing. Where did he fucking boxer size?
Why does he want to come off? He was like, I've got none of it. Well,
No one's really shouting, right?
Ty, you're good. Yeah, but you can't get shitty and then you just want to come off every time. He doesn't seem like he's blowing.
Oh, fucking blowing here. Fucking hell.
Right, we'll come to the price.
I'm gonna fucking take off in a minute.
I'm definitely a grower now, not a shower. Fucking hell.
The next time we have the ball, right, Barnes to put the throw in.
Oh, fuck. Chrissy.
Yes, Chrissy!
Get yourself on there, Tyler.
He's not looking hungry. He's hungry, Scott. He's hungry, Scott.
I don't know what it is, Mush. He just got an assist and he's like...
I don't know. I just think we could ping there to tell us the end of it. Right, let's go.
Oh, that space.
Bonds, that's your man!
Press that!
You got 3.
Lucky.
Bonds!
Nice, that's it.
Centre mid. The return. The return. My number 14. Terry Henry. Yeah, we got Big Terry in the middle. My bricklayer. Yeah, why are you coming up with? You got assist.
Mush, stand in front of me.
Mush, I got to get under it, otherwise the footage goes shit. Yeah, he's got dark arts under control.
Mate, that guy is one of the best players.
Yes, Chrissy, stay on him. Don't dive in, Chrissy. Oh, touch from the boy. Oh, we're steaming up here. Nah, Steve-O's shaking.
Oh, it's shaking. It's the wind, bro.
Keeper! Come, Chris!
Yeah.
Look up, Chris!
City's there, City's there.
City's there, quick!
That's
Stay
it.
middle! Will, drop back in!
Yes, Willie.
Man on!
No words.
That was crazy, that cross ball.
Oh, you're
Oh,
creasing.
that was a pinger.
Oh, Mush, I was going, who put that guy on the corner? Then all you hear is, go! I was like, nah, he can't be on the corners.
Hey, they got one guy in the middle.
Yeah, it's their captain, Harry.
The guy on the...
Well, you know him?
Nah, he's in the manager's chat.
Oh, right.
Him. The one, oh,
With the
Man
long hair.
on!
the one pressing.
Time. Loads of time. Come back.
Come back. Oh, yes, fire it in. Fire it in.
Keep it.
Just there.
Keep it.
Oh, Willie.
Oh, please get that. Man on! Man on!
Come this way, look at Chris!
Come.
Look at Chris!
Yes.
Time, Chris.
Jeff, come closer.
Keep the ball.
Ah. Sid, you got to work back now.
Make that. Pick it up!
Should I tell you?
Oh no, his knee.
Who's got a bad knee?
Time.
Has he? I was like, well, he's been out all this time.
Yeah.
What's up with his knee?
Ty, you alright?
It's not his ACL as well, is it?
He had it done when he was younger.
Oh no. He's had the reconstruction.
Time! Loads of time!
Man coming now. Will.
Man on!
Sid's still there. Siddy, you got time. Get there, Siddy. Go on, look at Char.
Man on ya!
Get in the box!
Oh, right back through Will!
Willie with the fake shot. I wonder what that is now. Ref!
What was a player then?
Yeah, that's a pen, Ref! That's a pen!
Wait, what's happened? Is he...
Oi, boys! I forgot we're playing netball! Yeah!
Wait, is that actually a pen?
It's a player. Keeper coming out to get him.
I think it's getting indirect free kick, right?
It's not a pen, now it's outside the box.
I forgot we're playing netball, boys! Yeah, that's it!
Oh my god, with that.
Boys, get in the box! Oh, yes!
Is that DC?
DC with the toe was great. I think it's like G though. I swear, was that no G?
We're playing netball, boys. We love it.
Either way, DC
You know, fella.
It's only a friendly though.
Nah, fuck them. We're burying them. Bro, these guys give us ag during this season. They're getting buried and bodied.
Oh no.
He wants to play for us. He wants a yellow jersey. Bless him. I'm getting in his heads. I'm getting in their heads.
Gino's got the yellow jersey.
Mate, I'm getting in their heads. Beautiful, man. But you can.
Work back! Calvin! Come Sid! Turn Sid, turn!
Man coming! Right. He's playing where? Sid, Charlie and
Sid!
Jack.
Leave it! Sid! I
You
wouldn't
can?
rip this ball, I'll go simple.
Well, can you warm up, Mush?
What you want me going on now?
Well, yeah, we're 15 minutes in.
Alright, bro.
You just warm up first, like, you know. Can you hold this, Mush? Jack, next time it goes out, come off for 2.
I think Steve would do good in this game.
Yeah, I'm bringing them on cam.
Oh mate, they're panicking a lot. You can't fucking pick it up, no?
Where's Jack then?
Cam, your favourite. That's on.
Winners! Manunya!
Oh, maybe not that.
Come on, Stevo! That's tactical, I love that. You're playing well. You little breather. Put that on if you want. Stevo's, isn't
I'm
it?
glad you bought a good pulley, bro, because imagine this was like a £5 one, bro. Going everywhere right now.
Well, Mush, I got this for free.
You robbed it?
No, when I was an estate agent, Mush.
You robbed it from some poor family.
No, I got given it.
That's our ball as well.
The cam looks sick with his ring.
No, Mush, yeah, but trying to get it like not blurry. That's why I brought the brolly, bro. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to record. Last time I recorded without the brolly, it is all rain on the phone. You need like. Is that us? Is it hitting that?
Oh, it's lovely from Sid though. That's brilliant from Sid.
Red! Red for the one! That's on the third one!
Oh, it's unbelievable from Sid though. It's unbelievable.
It's only give me 6 minutes till the half, and then we'll switch up again.
Yeah, I'll come on second half again.
Yeah, I don't know why you wanted to come off.
Nah, bro, I'm not feeling the game, bro.
What do you mean, bro? You just got an assist. What do you mean you're not feeling the
but,
game?
like, I'm just not feeling the game. I need to like lock in a bit more.
I just want to get a red card for offside.
What's what happened yesterday? Yeah. What'd you do?
Cam! No, we're in a fucking blizzard and the Steven's gonna be bagging.
Ow! Go 2! Tyler, go 2!
Yeah. Oi, what's Ponytail doing? Losing his rag! Yeah, well. He's lost his head, ref! He needs 5! Oh my god, this is torrential.
Oh my god.
Ref, where's the foul from? That's crazy.
I love it from Dildo. Straight in there. Get him, DC!
Left foot.
It's fucking great though.
Look at Charlie.
Charlie!
Look at Charlie. Look at Charlie. Oh, what ball?
Oh, it's good.
Nah, that foot's going crazy.
Come on, it's adults about me.
Rush, how bad you want it for the team. Rush, I can't stand out the rain. The footage goes funny.
That's it. Tyler again! It's our ball as well! Bro, this is such a long day. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, but the summer games are going to feel so much better.
Who wants it?
Why?
Oh my god. Square!
Why? You've got a child on the way.
Hush.
What? How old are you? Ooh.
I'll be 18.
18.
Why are you doing that, Mush?
I don't know, man.
I think, Jaff, as a 27-year-old man, I'd highly advise no to this.
Nah, but even if you do,
I know it's a blessing.
but even if you do, you still got to play.
Nah, Jaff, I'd say like, darling, look, it's me and you to the end of the line. Oh my god, Charlie's actually a fucking salmon in them.
Like, you got to be like, darling, like, there's a lot of ball to play, a lot of life to live.
I've actually got 2 out of my body. What, so you're going to do a gender reveal with the Kingsmen show? Oh man. Oh my god, oh man. Tuesday night down Stoneham. Gender reveal. Going crazy up in here. Head up!
Man on your back, Cal. Man, you coming on your back. 2 on your back.
Leave it,
Lovely, Cal.
Stay with him, Steve. Steve, stay with him. Oh, love it. These men are panicking at the back, bro. Chris is going straight for like a bulldozer in there.
Yeah, fucking love it. Fucking love it.
Bro, she's taking their ball, fuck it. Who's in there? Will, hang! Will, hang back! Oh, fucking hell, it's gone walkies. Oh my god.
Yes! Chrissy, what a throw, my son.
That's lucky though, that's great from fucking Sid, bro.
Oh, I almost said,
Portugal.
I almost said these man want their bed.
Nah, bro, it's a friendly boy, boy.
No, fuck them. Respectfully, when we pass this white line, fuck them.
No. You gotta chill out.
No, fuck them. On cam as well. Fuck you all.
Winner! Turn! Go with it, loads of time!
Turn!
Oh, please get there, Steve. Fucking hell. Oh, love it, DC. No time on the ball. No time on the ball.
There's no time on the ball. It's fucking Chino time.
Yeah, ref's loving us tonight.
I think he loves the commentary, man.
Nah, he does crease.
Does he?
I've seen him a couple of times creasing under his breath. You'll notice he goes like this a lot because he's creasing, bro. Because he's got to keep professional, isn't it?
Oh, man, he loves me, man.
Oh, not to Will. Hold it. 6:25.
We'll have to start again, but yeah, it's getting literally near it.
It's been a last play. Look at that! Look at that! Straight off there.
First half.
Throw-ins corner, aim for keeper.
First half, 3-0.
No, I'm here.
Second half.
Charlie said fair.
Yeah, second half, 3-0 to us. These man just said to us they want to forfeit, they don't want to be here. They ain't built for the rain. They want their beds. Time, Steve-O, time.
Middle. Oh, that's a ball though.
It's that final pass, man. Steve-O, get that man on, but Steve-O.
I seen Tyler for time though.
It's our ball, ref.
Hey, Chris, remember what I said, fam? Overload on my man. Hey, he don't want it there, you know.
Steve-O, go next to Charlie. Go closer to Charlie. That's where the ball's gonna be.
How come man kicked me like that, man? Twice in a row. Like, hey, the first one was bad because I felt man actually. That's what I was like, bro. Fuck off, man.
Now, these men don't want it. Every time they get the ball, they kick it out.
Well, it's been a good game for us.
No, it's a calm game, bro.
It's been stop and start.
And we're still keeping our heads against a team that's trying to draw us out, innit?
With a few nice bits of possession, like just playing it around. They don't really want to chase us today.
No, but they don't want to be here. They've turned up
We
here.
just actually started passing it around like in the field. They don't really want to.
They're moving at the ref.
Oh,
There's no need to do that.
we need to be thingy, but obviously the wind is another factor.
Yeah, we got the wind with us.
That's why we should bang some shots.
Me and Barnes got here and we're like, let's go that way.
Yeah. Yeah, where's my set piece coach today? Day off, is it? Because it's raining.
Who?
Chrissy, other Chrissy. Loud Chrissy. Or both of them, Chrissy.
Hey, he should shoot, you know. Hey, Steve-O! Shoot!
Hey! Hey!
Bro, come on that end with the wind, bro. That's, you know, a bit high and the keeper's
Touch.
timid. That's a back. Oh, too much.
Track them boys.
That's how I scored that goal. Chrissy threw the ball to me, bro, yeah? And then as he threw it, the keeper and two of their players went for it. Yeah, and then it bounced right. That's why I was like, yo, if I can slide on this.
A pinball in that area.
Chrissy!
Oh, is that keeps, yeah? Almost rolling his ankle. And then I got the same boots.
Stand and Chris.
No foul. Ah, it was.
Play on, ref, play on, they've got the ball.
Tony Adams. Hey, go on! Steve-O! Have a dig, he's left footed, innit? Go. Oh, go. Yeah! Get in, Charles.
Oi! Hey! It's too easy! It's too easy! Where's the real team? They turn up in 5 minutes! Yeah! Alright!
Hey, yo.
Rent free!
Gonna turn ugly now, bro.
Oh, fuck these man. They chat a lot, man.
And even the shirts are
Yeah, I know, bro. They don't want it. They don't want it. Oh, we're back to netball. All right. Yeah, right.
People don't want it.
You start doing that.
2-on-1 is crazy.
Yeah, no, he likes the cow. It's light for it.
Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. Like 3 left.
Ref, that's got to be a yellow. That's got to be a yellow, ref.
My head is freezing. Yeah, I bet, bro.
That's what we need. Like Albano, he'll go chat to the ref. Like, ref, come
What
on.
did you just do then?
Yeah, you go chat to him. Yeah. And I know if I know Albano.
It's fun and games until someone's legs get broken.
Yeah.
That was a wild swing.
Yeah, they're doing it, man.
Like, it's fun and games until you actually, you know what I mean?
They're embarrassed. They beat us last season. They come in thinking they're going to do it again.
Yeah. They're 4-0 as well. They never done us 4-0.
4-0 is crazy. What's he doing? What did he do?
Ref, send him off. These man, so salty.
Yeah, that best one.
He's gone and goal. Oh, okay.
Thing is, I shake these man's hand after, like, ain't even that deep.
That's what I mean. It doesn't need to turn deep. Like, it doesn't need to turn like that. Yeah, it's just turning bad now. They're gonna quit. They're gonna quit, bro.
I don't need to say nothing, man. School says it for itself. Holding 5 on a Tuesday night.
Yeah, it's tough.
Crazy.
City at the double. Oh, I don't want it. Oh, he doesn't want it. Oh, I hate to see that. That's brilliant. That's absolutely brilliant.
Go, Dunes. No, this is getting bad, boys. Huh? Who's playing? Oh, you want to join the boys? Yeah, come on, boys. I thought you asked if I'm playing because I've got the yellow jacket on. Yeah, bro. I thought he's, yeah. Yeah, he said he wants to join us. See, bro, he gets the banter. When they were beating, when they were like,
what I mean,
you got to remember when they were beating us last season, they were giving it large.
Yeah, they were. To be fair, it's only a few of them. Fuck, I'm just smacking it now.
Fuck me, man.
Getting out of it. Post match on the fucking Zoom.
On the Zoom, on the team's meeting.
Post match back in the canteen.
Oh my god, we got Chrissy playing right wing. What's going on?
Yeah, I don't. Tired. Wait. Is
I
that?
don't know what's going on.
Touch shot. It's a given now. It's a given. We have got all the 50-50s today, to be fair.
Yeah.
We do normally not though. We usually.
Do you know what they're doing though?
What?
They're giving away fouls that are so obvious.
Yeah,
So when you're going in
like
for
off the ball,
headbutt,
right,
kicking, swinging for legs.
They're kicking off the ball.
Like, how can you
We
complain?
usually don't get 50-50s today. We just had us one of those days.
Like, remember we lost that game because they gave a penalty or something.
Oh, you had so many along the fucking.
Is that an Albano over it?
Oh, that's tough. That's oh, DC. Oh, DC. Chase!
Get back!
3 against 3 shouldn't be happening.
Give it. Manu back tie.
Middle now.
Give it.
Yeah, that's a good option.
You gotta give it City. Easy option.
They shout it at. Didn't you have legs in, did you?
I don't know. I couldn't see.
You must have. But didn't look like it. Yeah, this game's gone weird now. It is a friendly, to be fair.
I don't know the minute 'cause I have to keep restarting the phone because it goes all like blurry.
Alright.
Ref, give him a yellow at least. That's his 5th one. Who kicked that?
Yeah.
3 man on the right wing.
100%, boy.
Wait. Bro, I swear it's a natural action to pick up ball. Jack, keep your head. Jack, keep your head.
Yeah, he's good. Who's coming off of me then?
You come here to play to get back.
Switch on, boys. Stand him, D.
Well done.
I rate it though.
That's what, his final bit is always the worst.
Yeah, no, he's been good again today, mate.
Yeah,
That's his position. That's his position.
Yeah, he's good.
You can't foul.
Nah, he's not good today.
No, but for him to evolve, he's got to.
Yeah, it's a final bit. But
It's like don't panic.
yeah, that's what it is. Like, what's this game turned into?
The only way he's gonna get out of that is playing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Did he play last night? DC. Yeah. Fucking hell.
Like the same as today, it's like panic.
Yeah.
He missed the sitter because of just panic.
Oh no, DC missing the sitter in 5s. This is such like a Brexit game.
I wish this was in the league now, though.
Bro's got his arms crossed. Bro striker. Don't want to be here. Bro's got his arms crossed. Hood up. Bro's doing a robbery. And we're robbing his fucking bank. Mate, go and Toulouse is getting their fucking bank robbed today. We're taking everything.
That's nice. That's nice from Barnes. Yeah.
Man on!
Man on!
Lovely.
Look at Steve-O! Look. Hey, look at Steve-O! Yes, hey!
Work on, Steve.
Wait! Lovely.
Yes. Ref, how long?
10 minutes.
12.
Yeah, I'm gonna quick.
12.
Quick, hold it. Yeah.
Of course, mate.
Come back. Oh, lovely.
Woo! Specials only.
Unbelievable.
That's tech. I'll give him that as tech.
Look at Dylan and Chris and Jeff. You got one of you come.
Colder.
Oh, mate, a couple of men have worn that. There's no options. Do it on your own!
I said wearing it. Yeah, I put it under my jacket so it stays dry.
A couple of men have worn that as well.
Yeah, I know. Oh, fuck. I was going to put it on, but it's going to be wet anyway.
Yeah.
It's fucking minging around me. Fucking
12. Nah, bro, you gotta stay on.
Go up there. Yes, keep tied back, go.
I love it, miss. I'm like, well, who's following me? And it's Mr.
Wow, bro, you can fucking tell that.
No, you come over here, fella. Go on, DC. DC's got to attack that. Oh, come on.
Tight. Good. Really quick there.
All the attackers have come off. And you get Charlie back on. Oh my god. Fucking Baltic on the hands. Nah, he's taking a piss from there.
There's no way he's just shot.
Yeah,
No way.
See this up there?
That is rude.
I'm just seeing who can we take off. Ty come on quite early, but then he's playing like defence now.
Where is he supposed to be?
Ty's been balls, to be fair.
Tyler's meant to play midfield. But then, I don't know what's going on much. I think we've lost a strike. We've lost either a cam or a strike.
You lost your cam.
All day, Chrissy! All day. No foul throw, mate. It's not netball. Good throw, mate. Yeah, mate, was it? Man on!
Touch it.
At least the rain stopped now, sort of.
Yeah, it has. Oh no, a little bit.
Oh! Was all blurry.
They've tackled each other. That's a lovely ball, that.
Oh, mate, it's kind of. Come on, refocus, man.
Lovely ball.
Well done, Chrissy.
Bill, that's class.
If in doubt, get it out. I respect it. Do you see at the back on his lonesome? Nah.
Looks like the side net.
DC, centre back.
I'm getting caught up with what's going on.
Oh, mate.
What's on the glove?
It's all fogging up. Feel back, sort of.
She's down under.
Wandered into the middle of the cross.
Because I want to pull Jaff for you, Char, but he's on the other side. Everyone's come off the attacking wise. Man coming. Your time. Get there, one of you, one of you! Jack. Jack, come. Next time it goes out, Jack, give Charlie a couple of minutes. We'll go now, Charles. Come on. We'll go. Jeff, go back up.
Yeah, boys, I'm going back. I'm setting off now.
This is so shit.
Yeah, the thing is, it shows their age, man. They take tantrum, innit? You start losing and you start trying to play that dickhead. It's like
It went from a competitive game to trying to foul us, now just to fucking about.
Yeah. Oh, mate, this is fucking. Oh, shit.
What a shit game though. What
Yeah.
a shit race on my Tuesday night.
Yeah.
Sorry, boys.
You got an assist, Mush?
I might know, but like, it's not, that don't matter, bro. And mate, I'd rather we lose like 1-0 or something.
No.
It'd be a great game
No, man.
compared to this. This is just shocking.
Yeah, Mush, like, we can't have that, can we? We can't have they turned up shit and then they.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying.
Like, yeah, but you got to look at from our point of view. We've turned up, we played well.
I can't lie, bro. As soon as that whistle goes, I'm out of here.
Yeah, no, I do.
Heaters are on in the car. I'm getting fucking.
Turn! This guy at the back, bro. What the fuck is going on with that guy?
Mush, if in doubt, get out. Ball number one.
Every 90% of the time. I don't think I've seen him do one thing forward. He's always been sideways.
I wonder what these men are doing on that pitch. Is that like a team training or
Yeah,
what?
no, they're just playing. I think it's the play on thing, isn't it?
Surely not. They've not got.
I don't know. I've not seen any of these man.
Can you go ask my man over there, the organiser?
Oh, I'll get nervous, bro.
Oh, Mush,
At least it stopped raining now, I just realised. Oh, bang now. That guy in the midfield's good. Oh, you see that bit in the corner? You know, when I hit it as hard as I could, bro. I was trying to aim for me, trying to get the corner. Because fuck me, they were just pissing me off, bro. I wish you bagged that thing when I went past, like a few of them. I squared it to you.
You back?
No, you took it. He was close, bro.
DC was close, wasn't he? At the back post.
Why didn't he bag, or was that an OG?
No,
Was
no.
that an OG?
Anyway, it definitely went in from DC. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
no, it was DC did the right
DC
thing.
shot.
You missed an open goal last night. Not told me.
Oh, really? I didn't even ask how he played last night. I know Jaff got a red card.
Yeah, and the DC's missed an open goal. It's like a crazy game.
Get down! Go back!
Jack.
Man on ya!
Man coming.
Man on ya! Red or 2 yellows? Back! Back! Switch it!
Yes. I don't know. I don't know. DC.
It's hit!
It's it!
You overstretched. Oh yes.
Was that 5-0? Was that 5-0? Come on, 5-0 Kingsmen.